Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we're going to be making chicken tikka. So exactly how the restaurant does it. It's a very special edition. We're going to use a tandoor oven, so I'm in the kitchen, but at home you can use an oven. Just a normal oven should do. It probably won't have the exact same flavour, but it's a good substitute. So I've shown you how to make the tikka marination. So you get breasted chicken. You marinate it, I would say at least 24 hours. Some people say you can give it a minimum of 4. 24 to 48 hours is ideal. So I will put about half a pint for 3 breasts. Yeah, I'm going to make just 1 breast chicken, but if you put it for 3, 1 breast, a medium-sized breast like that, you're going to get about 5 bits of chicken, which is about 1 portion. So this is about 3 curries worth. So yeah, just basically marinate it, leave it overnight, and then it's ready to go in the oven. Or I'm going to use the tandoor, do it exactly how we do it. So I've got the breasted chicken there. I'm skewering it on here. I'm going to do 2 breasts actually, because they're one breast. It was one big breast that's just been cut in half. You can actually do the actual cube size. The reason why we do half a breast is because it will take us so long if we just individually done each piece. But if you're looking just to do 5-10 pieces of chicken, you can individually marinate them, cut it, then marinate them, and then just skewer it on. I think you can use cocktail sticks, or you could just put this whole breast in the oven and just turn it over. I've done that before and it works fine. So it's just going to go in the tandoor now. It's going to need about 15 minutes in the tandoor. I can't put it to full maximum flame, because what it will do, it will burn the outside and won't cook the inside. So you've got to put it low gas, let it, and same in the oven, same theory at home. Make sure it's cooked inside. If in doubt, 75 degrees for 30 seconds with a probe, or have a look at it. It should be nice and white inside. Okay, so it's been about 15 minutes, and that's pretty much done. And then that's pretty much done. What you want to do is you want to cut it up into pieces. So then you want to cut it in half. Just make little chunks of chicken. You want to just cut it up into little chicken sizes for your curry or your chicken tikka main. So your chicken tikka is ready for your curries. That can go straight into your curry, so like a masala or whatever. Any chicken tikka curry, that's ready. If you want a chicken tikka main, we've then just got the jalfrezi onions. We've sizzled this up, and then we just want to put a little bit of lemon juice around the side, so it just sizzles up nicely and it's presented really nicely. So there you have it, guys, a chicken tikka, sizzling chicken tikka.